In this question, we need to isolate r. Ladies and gentlemen, the rule of thumb is what you want to isolate must be on the numerator, not the denominator. But on our question here, the r is the denominator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that the r is the numerator. So sum to infinity over 1 is equals to a over 1 minus r. I'm going to flip both sides. So I have 1 over sum to infinity is equals to 1 minus r over a. You can see I flipped there, and then I also flipped there. When you flipped on the left, you can flip on the right? And then now I can apply laws of algebra. The a is a divisor, so it must be a multiplier. And or also you can say the a is the denominator, so it must be the numerator on the left. So you have 1 times a over sum to infinity is equals to 1 minus r. And we know that 1 times a is just a. So you have a over sum to infinity equals to 1 minus r. And then you're going to have, let's do this actually. You see, what you're solving is for its minus. So I'm going to bring it to this side. So which means this guy must go that side. So the minus r will become positive r equals to 1 minus a over sum to infinity. Remember, this was positive here. So when I move this to the other side, it becomes a negative. And ladies and gents, I have 1 minus a over sum to infinity being r. And r is now completely isolated. Right. And then we can see that this is the final answer. Right. Perfect. So remember this rule that I shown you on the beginning of the question. When a variable is hiding in the denominator, flip them first. You flip them first because you want what you're solving for to be the numerator. You want what you're solving for to be the numerator. All right. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. Thank you.